Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you German expressions. So how to say these words when you are meeting a German person for the first time, when you are visiting Germany or somewhere else. Okay, how will you manage in German? Are you ready? Okay. First one, hello. You can say hello or guten Tag, both okay. Hello, hello, acceptable. Okay. And then second one, wie geht's? Wie geht's? Wie geht's means how are you? Pronounce wie geht's. Wie geht's means how are you? Third one, wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? It means what is your name? Your good name, please, like that. So what is your name? Wie heißen Sie? Pronounce wie heißen Sie? Fourth one, Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung means excuse me. Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Okay? Once again. Hello. Hello. As usually, just like in English. Okay? Hello. Wie geht's? Wie geht's means how are you? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie means your good name, please. What is your name? What is your name? And Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung means excuse me. Entschuldigung means excuse me. Okay, fifth one. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means hello or good day. Pronounce Guten Tag. Guten Tag means hello or good day. Okay. And then one more word I have forgotten that is essential for you. Bitter. Bitter. So hello or guten Tag we can write here. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Hello or guten Tag you can say when you are meeting a new person. Bitter. Bitter means please. Bitter means please. Bitter. Pronounce bitter. Bitte kommen Sie, please come here. So bitter means please. Haben Sie gegessen? Haben Sie gegessen means have you eaten? Did you eat? Haben Sie gegessen? Pronounce haben Sie gegessen. Seventh one. Wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr? Viel. Wie viel. You have to pronounce this wie viel. Wie viel Uhr ist es? Means what is the time now? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Or wie spät ist es? You can say wie spät also. Wie instead of viel Uhr, you can say wie spät. Wie spät. Wie spät ist es? So wie viel Uhr ist es means what is the time? What is the time now? Eighth one. Choose. Choose. Pronounce. Choose means goodbye or this is informal one. Choose. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. That is formal one. Goodbye. Choose informal. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Formal one. Goodbye. Okay, you understood? Once again, I am repeating. Hello or guten Tag. Tag means day. Guten means good. So good day. So hello or guten Tag. You can say for hello, for good day, right? Okay. Second one. Wie geht's? Wie geht's or wie geht es Ihnen? You can say wie geht es Ihnen or wie geht's. Wie geht es Ihnen also you can say Ihnen. Wie geht es Ihnen? I-H-N-E-N. Wie geht es Ihnen or wie geht's. Wie geht's means generally wie geht's. That's enough. How are you? How are you? And then wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie means what is your name? Your good name, please, like that. Wie heißen Sie? And then Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Entschuldigung. Okay, excuse me. Bitter. Bitter means please. Bitte, please. Haben Sie gegessen? Haben Sie gegessen? Have you eaten? Have you finished your food? Have you eaten? Haben Sie gegessen? Okay. And then seventh one. Wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? What is time now? Or wie spät ist es? Wie spät? S-P-A umlaut T. Wie spät ist es? You can say, or wie viel Uhr ist es? That means, what is the time now? And then last but not the least, choose. Choose. Goodbye. Choose means informal. This one informal. Choose. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen is formal. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf, to see you again. It means literally to see you again. Auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. This is formal one. Okay, formal one, informal. Choose. You can say choose, informal one. Auf Wiedersehen, informal one. So both mean goodbye only. Okay, I hope you like this video. These are all some German expressions you can use when you meet a German guy. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.